about this one?
Welcome back to day 6 of Vlogmas. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. If you are new here, welcome to you. And if you're returning, I do appreciate the support. I love to talk about all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I absolutely love handbags, so I do a lot of handbag reviews. So as you saw, we went looking for a Christmas tree, and it was a complete fail. There's this couple that we've lived here before and now we're back again. But years ago when we lived here, like their trees are really good. It's like they bring them down from, I think, South Carolina or something. I don't know. But this time around, total fail. Like there was nothing worth buying, especially at the price point that they had. So we're going to go to a tree farm probably tomorrow. My daughter does have a Christmas parade that she's in with Girl Scouts, but after that I think we're gonna go and look for a tree, hopefully, because we're now December 6th and we still don't have a tree. So I definitely need to give my house that holiday spirit and put my tree up with my rose gold decorations. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Also, my friend is coming in town today. I'm super excited. We definitely need each other right now. So I'm so excited to be able to see her and her son, and they'll be here for the weekend. So looking forward to that. Not sure what we're doing yet, but I'll probably vlog some of it this weekend. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. So I'm in like such a great mood right now because I'm just looking forward to having, part of my village here with me. In today's video, our bag of the day, if you're new here, every day for Vlogmas, I'm gonna go over a bag a day. And for today's video, it's a Louis Vuitton bag. So what I decided on today was the Brea GM. And I purchased this several years ago. I'm not sure if the correct pronunciation is Brea or Brea. I call it Brea, but it may be Brea, I'm not sure. Brea. And as I said, this is the size GM. I'm going to put the color on the screen because I don't want to butcher it, but it's like this beautiful red wine-ish color, alma red or something like that. But yeah, I purchased this bag back in 2011. I actually had to look through my profile to get it right. And at the time, it was like $2,400 with tax. I think if this same bag was out now, because this is a discontinued, but if this bag was recreated today, I think it would definitely be at least double the price I paid, especially with the price points and all of the price increases that Louis Vuitton is having. But this baby, I've carried it multiple times over the years. I don't carry it too often because, for one, it's such a big bag. It's in the verni leather, so it's more like formal to me. So yeah, I've carried it, but it's not one of those bags like I reached for every week. It was more of a special occasion type bag, or depending on where we were going, a bossy bag, but yeah. So let's get into a few details. So it's verni leather, as I said, this beautiful burgundy-ish color, very shiny. As you know, the verni leather is extremely shiny. The top is vachetta, and it has 2 handles. There's 2 D-rings on the bag, one in the front and one in the back, and it has a zipper closure, and it is gold hardware. So the zipper, I feel like you can close it better when you hold on to one side, because the top is kind of like almost like a clutch. So I tend to hold it at one end to close the bag. But the zipper has beautiful detail. If you could see that, it says Louis Vuitton. So it's almost like a little keychain type thingy. But I always love that detail about this bag. It also has these like rivets across the top, and they all say Louis Vuitton on them. And then on right here it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then there's the rivets in the bag. I do have water spots on this bag. Back when I bought it, I never treated the bag, never used like Apple Guard or anything like that. So it has naturally, patinaed over the years. Does have some water spots, but it's never been to the point that I felt like I needed to get the bag refurbished, like to have the vachetta replaced. For one, I don't carry it that often, and I actually love the character of, the wear it's shown over the years, right? On the inside of the bag, you can see those pretty little rivets. And I'm not sure if you can make out the LV on the screen, but I just thought that was such a neat, very pretty design feature. On the inside, there is a zipper right here, and it closes. And then it also has, if you could see, it has, again, that vachetta surrounding the zipper. And there is a little like D-ring right here that you could probably attach keys to or something. And then on the other side, there's 2 slip pockets, if you could see that. And then the inside is like a brown textile lining. The bag did come with a detachable and adjustable strap, which I've never used. So as you can see, it does adjust, and it would clip on the bag. The D-rings are kind of crisscross, so there's one in the front, one in the back, but never carried the strap. I always carried a top handle. So this is what it would look like if the strap was added. I just feel like the bag is so big. I personally feel like it would be awkward to carry it over your shoulder like this, for me, just my preference. And then definitely trying to put it crossbody, I just feel like it's way too big for that. But I adore this bag. Back when I bought this bag, I remember it like it was yesterday. It was when Louis Vuitton they still had the brown, like that deep brown. All their packaging was that deep brown. And Louis Vuitton was like in brown, but it was a shiny Louis Vuitton. I absolutely love that packaging. This bag was definitely a boss bag, very, very boss bag. I get so many compliments on it whenever I carry it. It's just extremely unique, and it's not something that you would see, nowadays. It's more, vintage. There are bags that are Verni, like there's an Alma BB that's in Verni leather, but I don't really see too many bags of this size in that finish, in the Verni finish. But so this is my bag for today, the Brea GM. I'll keep her forever. I will not get rid of her. This bag is available on the resale market, so like Fashion File or some of the other websites. I saw it on Poshmark. I've seen them on eBay. So it is definitely still available out there on the resale market. It's discontinued by Louis Vuitton. So I hope you have enjoyed today's Vlogmas video, and I am looking forward to seeing you guys right back here tomorrow. And until then, be safe.